Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we debunk common myths and misconceptions. Today's topic is teeth myths, which is something that everyone hears at some point in their lives. Whether you're worried about teeth discoloration or wondering if chewing gum is good for your teeth, there are many myths about teeth that have been floating around for ages. Myth number 1, you should brush your teeth immediately after every meal. While it's important to maintain good oral hygiene, brushing your teeth immediately after every meal can actually do more harm than good. This is because the acids in your food and drinks can weaken your tooth enamel, and brushing too soon after eating can cause the enamel to erode even more. Instead, it's best to wait at least 30 minutes after eating to brush your teeth to give your enamel time to recover. Myth number 2, using baking soda will whiten your teeth. While baking soda can help to remove surface stains from your teeth, it won't actually whiten them. In fact, using baking soda too often can actually damage your enamel and make your teeth more susceptible to decay. If you want to whiten your teeth, it's best to use a whitening toothpaste or visit your dentist for professional teeth whitening. Myth number 3, chewing gum is good for your teeth. While it's true that chewing sugar-free gum can help to increase saliva production, which can help to neutralize acid and wash away food particles, it's not a substitute for brushing and flossing. Chewing gum should only be used as a supplement to your oral hygiene routine and not as a replacement for it. Myth number 4, only sugary foods and drinks can cause cavities. While sugary foods and drinks can certainly contribute to cavities, they're not the only culprit. Carbohydrates, including bread, pasta, and potatoes, can also cause cavities by breaking down into simple sugars that bacteria in your mouth can feed on. It's important to maintain a balanced diet and limit your intake of sugary and starchy foods to help prevent cavities. Myth number 5, bleaching your teeth will damage them. While it's true that over-bleaching your teeth can cause damage to your enamel, professional teeth whitening is a safe and effective way to improve the appearance of your teeth. When done under the supervision of a dentist, teeth bleaching can help to remove stains and whiten your teeth without causing any damage. Taking care of your teeth is important, but there are many myths about teeth that are simply not true. By understanding the true facts about oral hygiene, we can maintain healthy and beautiful teeth for a lifetime. Thank you for tuning in today. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos.